Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial video where I show you how to identify the no caller ID calls that you're getting on your iPhone. So as you can see right here at the very top, someone just called me and they hid their information or they tried to hide their number. So as you can see, if I tap on that, I cannot call them back, right? Because I don't know the number, it's hidden. And if I hit the information button or the I button there, it says basically no caller ID, unknown, and when I missed the call. So as you can see, I have Googled it, *69 over on my browser. It said it's a code that activates the last call or return service. Basically, you dial *69 on your phone to hear a recorded message with the phone number, time, and date of the last call. So basically, when it does work, that's what it'll do. It'll identify the unknown caller. So go to your keypad, type in *69, and then just hit send or dial to see if that will work to identify the unknown caller. The next thing you can do is go to the App Store and search for caller ID. So if we go here, go to our App Store, search for caller ID for your device. You can see that you should see one that comes up to the top here. There's one here called Truecaller, Caller ID, or Caller ID Blocker, Spam Shield. But if you go to one of these here and install them, you should be able to set it up to where it will identify even when people try to call you with an unknown number. So first thing I would try, go to your keypad, type in *69, hit send. It only works for the most recent call. So if we go to our recents, as you can see, no caller ID is the most recent missed call right here. That's the one that I want to identify. So make sure you quickly go to your keypad here, type in *69, dial that, hit send, and see if you can identify that way. If not, go and get you a ID or caller ID from the App Store. There's a lot of free ones there that work very well, and it should identify 90 to 95% of those unknown callers to where you can block and report them as noted. Hopefully this helped. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.